We have released a new comps builder function, which is unique to the Felix platform. Using Kellanova as an example, let's navigate to their comparable companies. Simply type the company ticker you have in mind, then navigate to the Valuation tab. One quick note is that we have a toggle so you can switch between treating operating leases as debt or not. Then scroll down to the comps table. You can customize the comps table by adding and removing companies. In doing so, the comps download will change and the WACC builder in the Valuation tab changes via the industry adjusted beta. You'll notice a new Comps Excel download button. Click on this button and then select Comparables and click Download. The downloaded file has a summary worksheet which shows the valuation multiples and EV bridge for the selected comp set. You'll also find more granular detail within each separate worksheet for the standalone companies in this comp set. The individual company sheets have the broken down numbers as distinct references, and they are all already linked to the underlying company filings. If a number is not needed, for example, if the company doesn't have convertible debt, it won't be shown as a separate line item. In other words, you only see what's necessary. Unlike other market data platforms, no right-clicking is needed, nor clicking through several menus. Instead, one click redirects you to the underlying filing. We have adjusted for multiple share classes, multiple option classes, convertible bonds, short and long-term investments, and non-controlling interest. We have included share-based compensation data, so you can easily adjust forward-looking earnings if the non-GAAP earnings adjust for stock options. Further down in each worksheet, you'll also find the consensus estimate and 5-year share price history for each company.